back to another video. So in this video, I am hosting my very first dinner party, and I decided to do a make your own pizza thing. And I was gonna go to like Home Goods and Dollar Tree and stuff to get little things, and I'm still going to go. But I figured before we do all of that, I need to walk around my house and see what we have, because I feel like I have more than I'm thinking I have. I did want to do the brown paper thing where you like lay the brown paper out and you write on that. But then I thought about it, I have these chalkboard thingies. So I feel as if I should just use these for all of the pizza toppings. I'm hoping that this fits all the toppings that I have, but I think it will. I think I'm going to do like some jalapeno poppers or something, and I think we're gonna put those here as like an appetizer. So I'm trying to figure out where I want to put like liquors and stuff. I have some Trader Joe's flowers over here that I'm definitely gonna use for my centerpiece. Also bought some accessories that I need for the pizza maker. This is to cut the pizza, of course, and this is to put it in the fiery flame. I also got the wood that I need for the actual thing as well, because these will be wood fired pizzas. Like, it doesn't get any better than this. I'm so excited because I love a smoky flavored pizza, and I want to have all the best ingredients. So I'm gonna go get like fresh mozzarella from Trader Joe's, but I kind of want to do like some little finger foods and things as well. Decided to make my own pizza dough because y'all know I have a bread maker. I actually was gonna buy some, and then I called my mom and she was like, girl, your bread maker. And I was like, absolutely, mom, I forgot. And this is the one that I just made. I'm trying to see like how many it can make at a time, because I think I have about 15 guests coming. So I want to go ahead and prep all of that beforehand. But it is 2 days before the party, so time is winding down. I need all my ideas to be flowing. I have a checklist and I'm checking things off, but I didn't really plan this party until the beginning of this week. And I just kind of text my friends like, hey, y'all want to do this? And everybody's really free this weekend, so it's the perfect time. I'm also looking for things to put in this center here. These little lights cut on. I'm thinking something like this. I also got some black candle holders and some black candles to go, some like the candlestick candles. I have a lot of those coming. I'm just gonna fill that area up, and I might move this. I feel like this is where we should be making the pizzas, and we're not gonna need plates if we are. I got the oven working and I made a pizza. It's the next day. I am listening to music that I kind of want to be my cocktail hour music. I think I want to go with Bridgerton. I kind of want people to wind down as they come in the house. But anyway, we are out because I'm gonna go into TJ Maxx, Ross, and Marshall's to see what I can find as far as like some cutlery or just things to serve things in. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit these up, and then I think the Dollar Tree is around the corner, so I might go there. I'm back and I am putting everything away. Well, let me just show y'all what I got. I have these bowls that I bought to put all of the toppings in. I was gonna like, you know, have it like this and have the words like that, but these are kind of small for these bowls. So I'm gonna do something else right here. I think I'm just gonna put a layer of the brown paper and then write on it. I'll probably still use the black trays, just not in the way that I was normally gonna do it. I got these like grass light things. 3 of them came in a pack. It comes with lights. They are battery operated, so it's behind there. And then I just kind of trickled it out here. It's really cute. I could put it behind this, which might look a little better. I don't know. Yeah, that looks better. I'm just gonna show y'all what I got as I'm unbagging it. So I went to TJ Maxx, Ross, and Marshall's. I ended up getting a credit card, y'all. They got me this time. Normally, I'm so like, But because that card is Home Good, TJ Maxx, and the fact that I spend so much money, I figure I should probably just get the darn card. So I'll know, like, what am I spending on home decor and party decor and all that kind of stuff. But anyway, so first runner-up is this thing. I figured I needed a tiered situation. I just don't have any like this. And I think I want to put my jalapeno poppers on here, just kind of like place them all over. I needed some more silverware, and y'all know I love the gold, so I got some more gold silverware. The first set of silverware that I got, it just looked very fun, you know, new home, fun silverware, but it's not practical, so I just went ahead and got this, and those will be better in my dishwasher. I needed something for my Rice Krispie treats. I make amazing Rice Krispie treats, so that's my thing now. So I went ahead and got like a nice black pan to, I don't know, match my aesthetic for sure, but I like the size because this is a perfect Rice Krispie treat size, and it's pretty long, so it'll be great for the bars. So I got this, and then I also got me one of these little blender things. On sale for 24 bucks. You know, it has the blending thing, it has the frother, and it also has a whisk. I don't actually have any type of anything like this, so I figured I should get this because it's on sale and it's black. It was perfect. Got a salad bowl. How freaking cute is this? I figured this would be great for the Caesar salad that I'm gonna make. I'm gonna make my very first Caesar salad tomorrow. They actually say don't try new stuff, but I wanna do a homemade Caesar dressing. I've never done it before, so I'm excited. Got these little bottles because I've seen people all over the internet using these just to put like a few flowers in it, like 1 or 2, and then it can like really sit in between place settings. So I figured these would be cute. This one was $3. I feel like I could have got it cheaper if I went to Goodwill or something, but we had to get what we can get, friend. The party is tomorrow. I broke my other like fork holder thing, so I got another one. And this one looks really nice, very clean. So just got another one of those. I was about to say, where is my spoon? I needed a salad fork and spoon, and so I picked these up because they look identical to this. So I was like, yeah, why not? Oh, this is gonna be so cute. I also wanted another tiered situation, possibly for those drinks up there. So this one was looking me dead in my face, and it has 3 tiers. So I'm actually hoping that this looks really good over there with the drinks for tomorrow, just to already have the pre-made drinks on display. I think that'll be cute, but even if I don't use it for that, I have other stuff that I could actually use this for, so I got that. These are the bowls that I ended up getting that you guys saw up there. These are by Mikasa. That's the brand, but I got 4 sets of these, so I got quite a few bowls. And I got one more bag where I have a few decor items. I found these little candlesticks, which are Halloween themed, but they're black. So I kind of found a lot of stuff from Halloweenish, the Halloween section, and these were one of them. So I was happy to find these. I also got these bottle stoppers. I don't have any just clean bottle stoppers. I have some that's like broken, and I needed some more, so we got some more for my wine. People bring wine. It's nice to have the stoppers for parties, you know? These are the lights that I got that have the 3 in the pack that you guys saw on the table. I bought an extra pack because these were the last 2, and honestly, I just wanted them. I also saw this cute little candle holder. Now I'm getting into the little candle holders because they're super cute. So I saw these green ones as well, and was like, you know what, let's get these candlesticks. They match the theme. And the last thing that I picked up was this. I don't know why, I just loved it. It was 10 bucks, it's $10. But look at this, this is super cute. I don't think this holds a candle or anything. It definitely holds flowers. And I think this will be cute to just stick a few flowers in it, and it'll just look really, really cute and bring out any space. So that is all that I got, y'all. I got quite a bit of things. Trader Joe's is packed early in the morning. It's packed, literally. So I just got in and got out. I put my cheese in the freezer for a little bit so it can get really cold so that it'll shred nicely. Season it really good. Yay!
That's also you could be a great mom because this is just so fun.
This shit finna go up.
Thanks, Kim, for bringing us all together. Happy belated, because I haven't seen you since your birthday, so happy belated. Big shot. And happy. That's what you got right here.
It's not going on.
Kim, how you turn the light on? I don't know. There we go.
It's like 1 a.m. Do we
I need some lip gloss.
Crusty ass lips.
Kim.
You are gonna have to cut this out of the vlog.